Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as individual stocks using Elliott waves. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer: read carefully each and every line what I have written. And finally, I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here, and it is for educational purpose only and how I am trading them using the Elliott wave theory. So let's move on to our regular watch list. So this is our regular watch list, what we did in previous. So only the 26. So I will move a little bit fast, and I will try to cover nearly 50 stocks as individual stocks if I can. So within 1.22 minutes or 120 minutes, like that, within that or 1.5 hours. So please listen carefully and listen to my wave counts, and I have already updated everything in my Telegram. So you just go through that and you can see my analysis there, and this is just an explanation of that Elliott waves. So let's move and start with Nifty. So before that, and nearly after that, I think April 5th or 9th, we did a last stream. So, and I have informed in my Telegram group also. So I'm also not well, and my mom is also not well, and bad luck, I lost my mom on May 1st. So, and then I lot of formalities, and after that I did the last week the Forex for video, and so apologies for that. I am not able to update my YouTube as well as weekly analysis as well as in that individual stocks updation in the chart. But even though after the May 10th I did lot of charts, and I have already updated in my Telegram channel. So let's move on Nifty. So Nifty, that same view. So whether the thing is whether that fourth wave is already completed in a triangle formation or still ahead, or it is going to be making a regular flat, but it didn't have cross the high. So there is a lot of chances for making a regular flat, or if it is across the high also, there is a lot of chances for making an irregular flat, and then again it can make a fifth wave. Or else, if this is the end of the triangle and if it is the end of the fourth wave, we may see the fifth wave. Nearly my target is around the 16,100 it can reach, but whether from here it will shoot or it can make chances, because in everywhere in India it's a very pandemic situations and very worst in India. It's Tamil Nadu, Kerala, AP, nearly almost Maharashtra, UP. So for me it looks like a little bit consolidations can happen, and I'm expecting that. And the previous fourth wave, it will retest that previous fourth wave of the intermediate fourth wave, and here it's sorry and the third the fourth wave, the retracement is 23.6 is not yet done, right? So I'm expecting nearly to 13,800 in coming days. Just I'm expecting, but see, I'm already booked the profits from the 2 days. What I have already having the 50%, I nearly booked my profits. Nearly 60% I booked my profit. Only the 40% I just kept for the 16,200 as well as individual stocks too. And I won't trade futures, so I won't trade Nifty indices in futures. So it looks like for me, my bias is it has a chances for making and retest the 13,700 or 13,800 within this zone in a regular flat. Otherwise, if it's keep on shooting and if it breaks the high also, there is a lot of chances for making irregular flat, and again it will retest at that 14,500 zone if it crossed that 16,000 also. So that is not the end of the trend. It could be or may not. See, that is why I need to watch the wave formation from here. So if sorry, I did a first injection yesterday, so that is what it's little bit side effects in the first injection, first dose of vaccine. So apologies for that, but because it's already 1.5 months I didn't updated my YouTube, so a lot of people are asking me regularly in messages. So, and I already promised them I will do this Saturday. So that is why I got up at 5 o'clock and get ready for that forex, and I already updated that forex also, and now it's a time to update this Indian stocks. So this is the A, so B, C, D and E. If it is there, it's a final the E. So we are getting an aggressive move from here, and already the three-way structure. So after that, while it is keep going on, otherwise it can reverse. I think it may get rejected in this zone because the previous resistance zone here, and if we just don't stick to this triangle also, because we already need an alternative view also, don't stick to that. So if this is the something I'm expecting the wave 4 here, so this could be a W, so this could be a B, and C got a 5-way structure of 1 2 3 4 5. So we may get A B C, so this could be a WX, and again A B C to the downside is possible. So remind that this is an alternative views what I am trying to explain now. The previous, it could be a triangle, and the second option is from here it can get rejected, or from here it can shoot, and again it can be a irregular flat formation, or it could be a bigger triangle also. So the 4 possibilities is now here in front of you. So the thing is, I have a bias if only if it breaks the previous 15,478, then only I will come to a conclusion. Until then this is a sell only, and it is not looking like a impulsive move, but that trend started like that only. From here it looks like that, right? It looks like a correction, all 3-3 patterns, and then it's a leading diagonal, and from here also it's looking like that. So that trend started only like that kind of diagonal formation, and then it will keep shooting to the upper side. So beware of that, and the 4 possibilities I explained. You just, if you didn't understand, just play back and then again you can watch. So let's move on to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, the same view, the previous what I said from the April. This is the 4th wave. So we are in that triangle, or it could be in from here it can shoot for the 5th wave, or it could be what I said. No, it could be in a running flat, or there is no possible for the irregular flats, because it's already did a lot of corrections here, and it's already did here's the wave 1 and here is the wave 2. So it's almost 38.2 retracement is done. So as of now for Bank Nifty, I'm looking, and I'm taking this as an invalidation point, as well as this channel also. So mind that it can come like this also. Sorry, it can come like this, and again it can bounce also. So the breaking this channel is not kind of bearish, because the triangle and this is the invalidation point. What I kept this as an invalidation point, or this one, you can make it this or this, but what I'm trying to say is it could be possible below this also. So making this as an this zone is an invalidation zone, but first invalidation, this is the one, because we are expecting that triangle pattern. So let's move on to the individual stocks, like Titan first. So Titan, this is a wave 1, wave 2, so this is a wave 3, and we are in that wave 4. So this is a running triangle. It's sorry, it's not a running triangle, it's not yet broken the high also. So A, B, C, and again it bounced. So I have already posted in my Telegram, and just you just keep this. I updated on this 19th May. So you just go through the date. That is why for the reference I have already did this, and the previous update. For this previous update is 2 months back. So this is could be a triangle. So now A, B, C. So D is completed as of now, and I am expecting E. You can make this as a stop loss for the target above this level. or if it we have to, as per the Elliott waves, you have to enter above this D wave, right, and make the stop loss as E wave. So allow that, as per the theory, allow this above the level of 1580, but this wave is not yet completed. It can go above this also again, but don't want to break the high, this one. So until this A, B, C. So again, if it goes above this, what it will be? So this ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and again there is a chances for making a bigger triangle. So this could be A, B, C. So like that, it can keep changing also. So allow this wave structure to complete here, and then we can enter. And if anything is interested, I will update it in my Telegram channel or front page. You can just go through those things. So let's move on to that Grasim. So Grasim, it's already broken the high. So whether the third, fourth is ended here, fifth means it's a very, very small thing here. So I'm expecting, just one of the students, I explained that I'm taking the classes also. This is the first time I'm announcing here in this YouTube, because I didn't done the previous. A lot of people are asking after my analysis, or maximum it is hitting that TP. So a lot of people are need to educate themselves, so contacting me and personal messages. So I'm doing it for only 1-to-1 persons only. So you can follow me in that Facebook or Messengers, Telegram. You can contact me for the further details. So only 1-to-1. It's not a group studies or not a group bunch of people. I won't do that. So I'm a trader, because my ambition is to create an awareness. That is why I am doing it, and I'm giving it for everything. Maximum I can give it for free. But even though people are, see, they can't follow, right, and they need to learn. Then only they build a confidence. They need to build a confidence, and then they individually they need to trade. So that is my ambition also. So in that weekend, I'm doing that classes after my YouTubes. So 2 hours per session. So the details will be, you just message me in a Telegram or WhatsApp or a FB Messenger, like that. So I will tell you, but not for the beginners especially. That is why I have already updated my educational series in my YouTube channel in Forex Surfers. You just go through that, and not in Stock Surfers. In Forex Surfers, I will give you the link below, Forex Surfers. In that, that is also for Forex, and this is for the stocks. So you just go through that, and then you can educate yourself. Up to 10 parts I have already uploaded. So this thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this kind of ending diagonal can happen. Otherwise, we have to wait for this, because it seems like 5 waves is already completed. So this could be wave 1 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be wave 1 also, and here it's a ABC. And again, I'm expecting the 5-way structures. So it will be overlapping like that. It could be an ending diagonal. So let's see. I'll love that. But I'm bullish in this. And if you kept this, exactly the 23.6 is already dead. So you can make it stop loss as a this in the minds. And I want to trade in futures and options, as I said. So this as a stop loss for the invalidation, and this trend line until if the low is broken, right? Because if it is a triangle, there is no chances for triangle, because it's already did a 5 waves. So let's see. So Grasim and Raymond. So Raymond, as I said, this is the A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already completed, and this is the A, B, C. The 3-way structure is already completed, and again it's bounced. So now this is a WX. So we are in the ABC for the Y wave. So whether this is a it's completed, now I am expecting again to the 340 level. That is why I have already updated this one yesterday. So you can just go through my Telegram to analyze this pair and how I did that, and for the further counts. So I'm expecting A, B and C. So if it is a 5-way structures also, that could be a also, and again that B and C. So that will be a more bigger target also. If it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways is dead, so then that A will be a 5 ways and B will be a 3 ways, and again the C will be a another 5 ways. So that will be the target of 750. So just we will allow this to complete. So as of now, this would be a stop loss for this pattern. So next will be the Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries, I'm expecting the 1700 zone. So as of now, this is a WX. So we are still in the A, and it's looking like, just I will yeah. So here it's a kind of wedge formation. So first you need to identify the patterns. So it looks like A, B, C, or this could be a, and here it's a 1 5-way impulsive, and here also 1 5-way impulsive. So what it's like, it can do like this, and again it may do like, because it's A, B, C is A. So this is it's looking like an impulse. This is the stocks, all everything. It's looking like that. It's sometimes it looks so aggressive and it looks like impulsive, and but we have to consider this as a B and C also sometimes. So mind that what is the bigger picture says. So bigger picture, what it says is, for me it's looking like 1700 has to reach this zone. So until that I won't buy here, or until that the wave formation is for the clear picture. So as of now, this is a W, this is a X, so or A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Or if it is W, X, this could be a, so allow B way to complete and the C way to complete to buy this Reliance. Sorry. So next is Bajaj Finance. So in this Bajaj Finance, it looks like a little difficult for me to identify that waves. In previous I did as a 1, 2, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As of 1, 2, and it's already that channel, and after that this is a second and fourth is already metered, and then again it's a 5-way structure. So this is the completion of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that I'm looking for A, B, C. So nearly it's around a 50% or 38.2 if it is a very bullish. So here it did already 38.2 retracement. So whether from here it's the end of the B and we are in that again that C wave, or this could be a wave 1 also, the whole thing, because we are in that C wave. Just I will because A, B, so C is contains of 5 waves and it's already broke this high. So whether that C wave is already completed, or what the one thing is, from here it looks like A, B and C. This is my doubt. So how we have to label the intermediate waves means something you have to consider this as a B. So C can be this as a 1, 2. So whether this could be a third, and this could be a fourth, and this could be a fifth also. So in that case A, B, C. So again we are expecting in the B wave to the downside. So as of now just leave this, and we can see after once I get the confirmation. That is why I didn't updated this. So unless I need to worry, right? So what I thought is from here it could be a 3 ways, and again I'm expecting to the downside from here, from this zone, but it won't did like that. So we have to wait for this, and it's a very aggressive bounce from here. So nearly 4,300 to 5,600, near 1,300 points, and it is in that 5-way structures. So wait for that. Otherwise, if it comes to the downside, make this as a stop loss in the mind. But because we are doing only in the cash, so if it is comes to the downside, we can buy here, making the stop loss for that target above. I just add some water because of cough. So so you just allow this to make a pattern, and then we can enter in this trade as Bajaj Finance. So let's move on to the Sun TV. So Sun TV the same look, 1 2 3 4 5. So whether this 1 is completed and that the 2 is completed, or it's making a, what I did is from here it can shoot from here if it is whether the 2. Otherwise it can do this three-way structure, and again there is a chances for coming to the downside. Otherwise if it is comes to this level, and then there is a chances for coming to the downside. But it did because of the election news, it already DMK won, right? So it's already went, and then after the news elections came, it came down. So that this is why what the traders and the in the book it's written, buy the stock in the rumor and sell in the fact. So after the news, exactly on the May 2nd, see the May 3rd, it came down, right? So now what I'm expecting from here, I'm expecting, so now it is doing that rejection. So whether it is going to get rejection to this zone, otherwise it will get like this, and then again it can bounce. So in that category, this could be a wave 1, 2 and the intermediate wave. So intermediate within can be started. So this is my view, and Zeal, and why I'm expecting to the downside means one of thing, it's sun everything is the because of this lockdown, so there will be no income for them, right? So I think with the help of the fundamental news, if it helps, my analysis will be correct to this zone. Again we need to accumulate in this 400 zone, and the same thing in Zeal Entertainment also. Zeal Entertainment, this is the one. ABC is a wave 2, otherwise it is making a WX ABC, or this could be ABC as a 1 and ABC as a 2, then 3 4 5. It could be like that also. So there is a lot of chances for making a 150 zone also, but the major zone I already accumulated at 180 and I already booked the profit at 192, because from here I expected, and again there is a lot of here it looks like a three-way structure, and again the three-way structure. So I thought it's still in the correction only, so I can do that swing or like nearly 180 to 192, right? The 12 points. So let's do like that, and immediately I exited my position at here in this zone itself. I exited 192. So I thought from here it can go to the downside. So it's still in the correction only. So a market can do anything, right? So whether it is a 2, but be on buy side in this. If it comes here, you can again add with this stop loss of this. And Tata Steel sectors are very bullish, and what I expected from here, it can come to the downside, but it's keep on extending. So now my count is same, but if it is a extended, for this third to fourth, it will reach up to 1272 or 1.612 or 1.618 also. But 1 2, so this is the third. So we are in the fourth. So there is a chances for making a one more waves to a high, but we need to watch this carefully. But no need to invest here. If you having, just keep on sell in the high from here. If it make a one more high, you just sell that. Otherwise, if it is doing one more three-way structure, sell there. So keep on selling, because it looks like a 1 2 3 and fourth wave. So one more high, if it is possible to make a 1250 and above, 1275 and above, you just keep on selling what you having, not in futures. What I'm trying to say is, I will trade only in the cash market, not in futures and options. So try to understand that. Next is Jindal. Jindal also same. And here you have to understand, I said 1 2 3 4 5 means I placed this as a 3, but I questioned here also, right? 1 2 3 4 5 means we are, see how aggressive it came down, right? Nearly it's 20% from 500 to 390. nearly 20%. So now I'm expecting it's a little bit only to the downside. So in that case, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have already mentioned that this could be a B. So C means this is the W, and bigger W and bigger X can be around nearly 280. So that is the thing I am expecting in the consolidation zone. And Hindalco also the same. All steel sectors I am looking for that to the downtrend, for the correction, bigger correction. So here also, if it is an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so then I'm looking for that downtrend. So here it looks like 1, 2, 3. I'm expecting for the fourth wave here, and if it breaks this channel, be careful, and this channel also. So I don't want to look for this, because sometimes if it looks like in the daily chart, just hide all those things. It's look like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here itself it's finished. So 1, 2. So look at this. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether it is the full of one first wave or 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth wave. Fifth wave got extended, and that time this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, and wave 4 and wave 5 is already completed here. It seems like that. So be careful in all steel sectors. Don't invest here until the pattern is, because it's already see that 80, from 80 it's almost 400, nearly 500 times, 5 times, right? Not 500, sorry, 5 times. So everything in all steel sectors, for example JSW, it came at 130. Now it's trading around 720, means it's around 4 times, right? Sorry, 6 times almost. So all sectors, that steel sectors particularly, I'm expecting a little bit consolidations. Then I will update in my Telegram channel. Because see here, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's telling like that one more wave is possible, but I'm not sure about that. So in that case, how it will be a bigger than the bigger third, right? So there is a lot of chances for making a leading diagonal also, or in the wedge form. The C wave will be a wave 1 will be bigger, and wave 3 is smaller than wave 1, and wave 5 is smaller than the wave 3. So for example, I will explain in that. It's already in the commodities. Here I have marked this, the US oil, crude oil. This is also, whether we didn't know about that here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this thing is a wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. So we consider this whole thing becomes a 5-way structure is completed here, and wave 1 is bigger than wave 3, and wave 5 is smaller than the wave 3. So this is also a valid. So mind that it looks like already finished, or we are in the fourth wave. So that we have to watch, and then we have to trade if it is coming to the 3-way structure, and again if it is make the 5-way structure, you can go for that. And until this 590 or 600 zone is a perfect buy, not here. Make the partial buy here, and then you can look for that nearly 700, like that. Is nearly 20% or 10%, because we have to trade like that only in this zone, not to invest here. So next we will move on to that MGL. Just I will check that Hindalco Jindal, yeah, MGL. So I have already explained this, I think so. So here I did as a B, C as a W, X, and then again this could be a and I'm looking for the B, and then again C. But there is a lot of chances for A, B and C, and it's already broken the high. So whether it's A, B, C is a or it could be a W. So this could be a connecting wave, and it's already broken the high also, and it's valid for this A, B, C, and we may get one more low to break this also sometimes. Otherwise, if it is in W and this could be a X, means we can get up to 900 zone, or it could fill this gap, the 950 zone. So that is also possible in MGL. So as of now, in that shorter time frame, here it's A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here it's also that wedge formation. So try to identify the pattern here, and after that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So looking like the 5-way structure, but here it's an aggressive fall. So what it will do next is one more 3-way structure, and again it may drop. After that again it may go like this. So these are all looking, we need to watch the wave formation, then we have to enter not blindly here in this zone. So it will took more consolidation here, it seems like that. And it's, if it is in starting off what I said, this is a W, and this could be a X, maybe X. So this could be a and then B, and then C can break above this high. But as of now, the shorter time frame, I'm looking for to break this. Otherwise, it can go above this and did running flat, and again one more high is also possible, but not to break this high. If it did also, that is also converted as an irregular flat formation. So MGL. Next we will go to the pharma sectors, Sun Pharma, and my target everything, say I have already updated everything in my Telegram channel. So go for that, and here I expected the triangle. See everything, if it is a 4th wave, we are expecting only the triangle, or it could be a shoot from here also if it is a wave 4th ended, how it did here. So like that 1, 2, 3, and again the 4th is also a triangle, and then 5th is shooted, like for the 5-way structure here. The same thing, once if it can come to the positional wave also, 1, 2, 3, and I'm expecting the triangle, it can go. So I just explain maybe irregular or a triangle possibility, but it can chances for making the higher also, right? So from here it already did. So now I'm expecting a little bit one more high, because 1, 2, 3 is dead. So after the 4, one more high is also possible, and then again I'm expecting the 3-way structures to the downside. Or else if this is the 3-way structure, and if it is aggressively coming down from here, so that is also possible in the irregular flat formation for this, and it's already breached that 1618. Sometimes the market will do like that also. So don't confuse, as per the book it has a chances. What I'm trying to say is it has a chances, and market is, live market is entirely different than the theory. So next Sun Pharma, after that last L&T. So L&T also 1, 2. Otherwise we can make it as A, B and C. So if, because it didn't break the previous high also, if it didn't break the previous high also, so there is a lot of chances for A, B, C, and again A, B and C. So for anything, whether it could be under bigger triangle, because I mark this as a W or A, so this could be a X or B. So in X or B wave, it can make a bigger triangle also. But if it is a A or B or W or X, if it did the 5-way structure, then that will consider as a C or A, right? So 1, 2, 3, and still we are in the 4th wave, or this could be A, B or C, and we are on the downtrend. That we have to watch here. And as per that Elliott wave theory, if it is a 4th wave is a triangle, enter above the D wave, making the E wave as a stop, looking for the target. That is the only thing we have to watch here. So a lot of people, including myself, so what I did is, what I will do is, just I will enter here itself and making the stop loss in the E wave, making the stop loss as a D. So a lot of times, sometimes it will do like this, and then again it will go like this also. So make the stop loss as a this, not intermediate wave stop losses if you are taking, and if you are an aggressive trader, because we need to cash in that bottom to make a more profit. So that is the only way we have to do. Otherwise you have to, if you are going to that as per the book theory, you have to enter above the D wave, making the stop loss as a E wave. And if it is an irregular flat formation, it will go above this and again it will come to the downside and then again it might shoot. So a lot of times that triangle can convert it into what we think that will be a triangle, but it could did a irregular flat formation also. So mind that. And next thing is Sun Pharma, yeah, as a automobile sectors, Ashok Leyland. So all Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, it's all everything. It's a little bit confusing also, and it's already broken. This, it looks like a triangle, but I'm not say it is not a triangle also. So whether it's a B, C, D, E, so whether if it is a fourth wave and fifth wave has to shoot. Otherwise, if it is a bigger triangle something, if this is the fourth wave and this is the 1, 2, and it's an intermediate wave, so it will keep shooting to the upper side to make the fifth wave. But here it sometimes it looks like here this could be a, see, I'm not forcing anything, just I'm expecting and what I am looking the market. So sometimes it looks like the 5 waves is ended here, something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be an expanded leading diagonal also. Wave 1 and wave 3 and wave 5 is bigger than. So in that case, if it is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, so 3, 4, 5 and this is the end. Because see, if it is making the consolidations, a lot of traders will move for the alternative views, whether this is the fourth wave is still ahead or it is in something else. So like that, as of trade, I am also in same trader, right? So that is why I mark this as a 1 or A, this is a 2 or B. So whether we are in that bullish side, or it could something complex corrections like that. So that we have to do. So what else means, we need to make a stop loss of this as a stop loss, just wait for that target. That is the only thing we have to do. So until then, no need to confuse everything, just hide all those things. Just you can view your chart and then it will say something. From here what I did is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth wave is extended. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 1, 2 and we are in that fourth wave. So third is ended here and we are in the fourth wave. So let's see. And Tata Motors also the same, whether this is a or 1. So same confusion, 2 or B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that category that already ended at the third or W. So if it is a W, I am looking for that downtrend. So nearly for the 200 zone or the maximum 200 to 10 like that. Otherwise, if it is at fourth wave, it is in triangle, so it can shoot to that next new high above the 350 levels. So nearly to 390 zone. So that is my view in Tata Motors. So next Maruti. So Maruti didn't came, I think, what I expected in this zone, but still it is in that. See, the all automobile sectors, because of this pandemic, no one can buy that, right? So that that quarterly announcement is also little bit lesser than what they expected. So in that case, this will be, and everything it is in lockdown everywhere, so the production is also cut, and then there is no income for that company. So in that fundamental uses, it may reach this zone also. So whether A, B, or it could be a B is a little bit complex corrections. So whatever else, but I'm looking only for this zone. So whether it could end it here, I'm here also, but I'm expecting still that 6,100 zone. It's not looking like a bullish sign here. All that because Tata Motors we are already seen, now this Maruti as well as Ashok Leyland. So everything here in the Maruti, it looks like the second wave, and Tata and Ashok Leyland, it's in the fourth wave. So mind that. Let's see how it moves. Next is Apollo Tires. No, it's I think okay. we will move on that Castrol oil. So Castrol oil 1 2. So the intermediate B wave is a triangle 1 2 3 4 5. So it isn't looking like a leading diagonal. So AB is completed here. So our 5 waves is completed. Again, I'm expecting whether it could be a running flat or irregular flat, or it could be a regular flat to that 110 level. Just I'm expecting like that with the stop loss of this. So let's move on to JK Tyre. So JK Tyre also, if it is an 1 2, so 1 2 3 means the 4 it's already breached nearly 61.8, and I have already explained that. And this way is forming is 1 2 3 4 5, that 5 waves. Again the 3 waves may be expected, and again there will be a bullish for the third wave, or it could be another bigger corrections it's going on, because once the 3-way structure is formed here like this, if it didn't break, if it again get rejected in this zone, there is a lot of chances for making this. So in that time, this is could be an again A B 1 2 3. So A B C is a W, X A B C. So that could be a Y. Again this is a bigger W. So that will brings you whether this is a W, this is a X. So again A B C is a W, what we already did. The intermediate wave, the Y, will be again WX, again ABC. So if it failed to make the 5-way structures here, there is a lot of chances for making a 3-way structures. So JK Tyre, and we will move on to Apollo Tyres. So Apollo Tyres also here, what I did is a 1 2 3 4 and 5 is extended. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 is extended. So 1 2. So this there is a chances for making here third, fourth is already ended. That is why my doubt. So whether this is a 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So 1 2 3 4 and 5, but that 5th way is a very small. That is why I had a little doubt. So whether this a 4th way is still there, that is my question. And if you watch in this 4-hour chart, it's looking like the 5-way structure. ABC is a A, ABC is a B, 1 2 3 4 and 5-way structure is completed here in this zone. So one correction is it's got completed. So we will look at least for this 238 zone. Anything if it is in 5th wave means it will be a bigger shoot. Otherwise, if it is going like a messy kind of overlapping, and if it reach this 238, and then there is a lot of chances for making, then we have to consider this as a 4 and 5 is already completed here. So let's see, but here we are did a 5 waves is a wave 1 2. So I don't know whether how it is making, whether we have to consider this as a 3 and 4 means 1 2 3 4 5. So it's already ended here. So if we did this as a 3rd 4th 5th, so then this will be an irregular flat formation. So let's see, but I'm expecting to that 175 zone again. But market, see what I'm saying, that is why I'm not trading in the futures, because I'm expecting this. If we are taking the sell here, that market will go like this, and then again we will recalculate, and then we have to satisfied with this. Okay, this is only 1 2 3 and it's coming. And remind this, stocks is for only for investing, not for trading, and forex is only for trading, not for investing. So mind that stocks, just we have to build that stocks with a particular 30 to 40% per year, means we need to invest and then we have to take, not in trading. So let's move on to next is JK Tyres. I already finished. Castrol. So IT sectors like HCL. So HCL I am in buy, and I have already updated that chart in Telegram channel, right? Oh. So my analysis, I don't know where it's went. 1 second. Let's see. I'll get. Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's there. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. So this is a W. This is a X. If it is a B, C means it's already completed and it will shoot from here. So that is the one alternative view. So this is the alternative view for the previous. So previous what I said is this is the A, this is the B. So C is a contains of 5-way structure 1, 2, 3, and we are in that 4th wave, and 5th wave has a lot of chances for coming for the 870 zone. And I have already said that, and I already informed in that group also. So I have already partially bought at nearly 926. Yeah, here I said, right. Once I got that idea, so I bought at 926 only partial. So I will allow that to the 870 zone or 860 zone, and then I will buy little bit another partial here, and then I allowed to bounce from here. So otherwise, if it is coming to the downside, we have to look for that what kind of pattern is going on. So then only we have to invest more in this. So next is Infosys. Infosys, I got a little C. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 I said. But sometimes here it's looks like in this zone 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got completed. So in that case, if you hide this, something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th way, while the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got extended. So that is my doubt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is my doubt, but clearly it's visible. It's a 5-way structure here. So I'm expecting that bigger 3rd wave from here itself. So we need to complete this as a 3rd wave. So we are in that bigger 4th wave. So not here. Not here. So next is Wipro. And Wipro, as of now, my target is got achieved, right, in the 4th, and I have already did the 4th wave, and 5th wave has got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I already exited at 472 or 475. I exited, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, and immediately I exited here because sometimes it will do like this also. So I exited my full positions. So what I bought at here at 400, I exited all my position at 472, and I have already informed that in my channel, right? So 1, 2, now 3, 4, and 5 is got completed. It seems like that. So whether we have to enter means we have to just wait for that next trade to enter. The next structure, we need to understand how that structure is forming here. As of now, here it's cleared, right? So next is all bank sectors. So let's move on to DCB Bank. So A, so the intermediate B is a triangle, then C is completed. So now here is the B is completed. Now I am looking for the C wave. So only the bullish. So if it's not did a bullish means again there is a 3-way structure. So there is a lot of chances for making one more 3 ways. So on that time this is a W, X and Y. So there is a lot of chances for making 74 also. And next we will move on to RBL. So same pattern. I expected from here, but it didn't came. So now we have to took it this as also a triangle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So same as per the DCB. Whether it is going to shoot from here for making an C wave, otherwise it is going to make a one more 3-way structures to the downside in this zone, again this zone or this zone. It's 138. So this is the view in RBL. So next SBIN. So just check how much minutes. So nearly already 50 minutes. So let's see. Here it's A, B and C. So here is the Y is completed, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once the 4 is completed, I'm expecting the 5-way structure, but it's somewhat there is a bullish action. From here also I expected to the downside, but it's already reached here, this zone. And I have mentioned that also. We expected here at the 345 to buy for the in the irregular flat formation for A, B and C, but it's already hit the target of mine of 390. It's already did the target of 390 here itself. So we have to wait and watch here what kind of formation it's doing, whether it is doing a triangle or it could go above the high and then it's a irregular flat. So just there is no trade here as of now. And move on to the ICICI. So everything is under the same thing, no change here. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C is dead. So I'm expecting one more 3-way to the downside, or it could be an irregular flat, means if it can go above the high and then again it can decline. So let's see. On all Axis Bank also same thing. It is in a triangle. Same. And HDFC Bank also. Same. And Kotak. So everything it is in the triangle. And it's already broken this. So whether 1, 2, 3, so here it's a 3rd, 4th or 5th is already completed, or this could be a formation. So anyway, I am expecting little bit bounce from here. Then we will come to a conclusion. So what is the triangle? How we have to trade means above the D wave, we need to make that E wave as a stop loss, not here. So that is why I am expecting, right? I have already mentioned this. It could be a triangle, right? I shown here. But what happened if you make the stop loss here? It hit the stop loss and again bounced. So why we need to unnecessarily, right? So according to the theory, we need to enter above the D wave, make the stop loss as a E wave. That's the thing. And we will move on to the next. It's individual stocks like GATI. I will show you that. GATI is A, B. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in previous what I did is here this is the 3rd wave something, and 4th wave and 5th wave got ended. So this is the bigger 3rd and this is the bigger 4th, and I expecting the triangle, everything is get invalid, and it's already achieved my target of 120, 130 level. So now it seems like this is the end of the 3rd. So I'm expecting one more 4th. That is why I have already updated here for the GATI. So you just go through everything. It is in the chart, my Telegram channel. So go through and don't miss that. And just keep on explaining very fast to cover that 50 pairs. And next is steels. That is also the steel sector. And here also it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed. And I'm expecting that downtrend nearly for 100. And this is also a good investment stock. You just have a look here, and I didn't done anything in the previous because it looks like A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's looking like that. So, and it's already bounced from that bottom level. It's nearly 40 rupees. Now it's a 160. So 4 times. So whether if it is coming in the 3-way structure, make a stop loss of anything, or you can buy a partial of you can diversify your investment and then you can go for that. And next is M&N Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Sorry, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Yes, there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expected the 50% retracements already did on the previous, and I already bought at 150 zone. So I'm still waiting for that to bounce. Otherwise, if it is bounced from here in the 3-way structure, I will exit my position, and then we need to watch, and then we have to enter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structures, 5-way structures. So that is the causes of the impulsive way. So one 5-way structure is got completed. Again, if in the 3-way structures we need to buy, so I already in that buy. For the target, nearly at least we can break above this 250 to 260 zone. But we may get a bigger consolidation also. Mind that, because if it's the B wave, the A is completed, so we are beyond the B wave. And what else is next is A, B, F or L. I have already showed that the previous. See, it looks like a five-way structure. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this A, B and C, it looks like sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, but sometimes it looks like zigzag correction. So, and it accepts this channel trend line, and we bounced. Here it's a one, ABC is a A, ABC is a B and C. One flat correction is got completed. So in this, if it comes here, you can buy for the target of this zone, so around 200. So if it comes to 175, the next target is the 205. So like that we have to trade. So these are the options. See, I'm looking for this zone again. Otherwise it can be bounced from here also. So anything is possible, right, in the stock market. And Finolex is also, yeah, a good opportunity for the shorter term. See, it's a ABC is a W, X, ABC is a Y. So when this is the bigger means, I have already updated. If it breaks this channel, it will reach this zone, this support zone. So the next partial will be around a 280 to 300 we have to add. So I am already having a 358 zone in this zone. So I am looking for that whether it is in a WX, ABC or whatever it is. So from here we have to wait for that. So why I'm this is, if it bounces from the five-way structure A, B, C, the target will be around 480. But let's see whether this is a bigger W after the Y completion is the bigger W. It won't be very simple in my bias. So the A, B, C is gone, another A, B, C. So at least 420 we may get, and then again there will be a huge decline for the target of 300 to the below side, and we need to add here. So if it is in a positional investment trader. And Astrodem also, a good opportunity. The five-way structure is got completed, and the same thing what I have in Mahindra and Mahindra Finance, the same pattern here also occurred. So I already bought at 140 or 138. I have already bought. So I already bought here for expecting to the upper side. In the previous I did as a 1, 2. So this as a 3. So 4 and 5. So that is why I have already bought in this 154 zone. And again I added at 140, 138 I think so. So now what I did is 138 I already booked at nearly the 155 zone. I already booked because it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I am expecting the three-way structures already did, but I missed this because of my my mom has passed away, right? So I'm not so confident. Only I just keep on watching, and then I did for myself only. So from here I didn't watch the market from the April. So let's see how it moves, right? Only in the free time I just keep on watching, and then I exited my position. So I'm just still having my positions in this Astro DM. So next is here also a good opportunity. Here it's A, B and C is already completed. So now whether if it is a W and this is a X, again A, B, C. Otherwise at least we may get another three-way structure here for the flat correction, and again one more downside to reach this zone, that support zone major. So I'm looking, and I already bought at 1280. Here only 1280 I bought. So let's see, because it looks like ABC is a ABC is a B, 1, 2, 3, and here it's a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the fifth way has got also the five-way structure. So in any five-way structures completed, I'm expecting for the three-way structures, the bigger three-way. And next is Amara Raja. We can see that. Amara. See, the previous idea was this the thing, A, B. So I'm looking for that C here for the C wave. But if it is a, so this is a B. If it is a triangle, means this could be another A, B, C, D, E, and again it can shoot also in the higher side. And it's already only did a B, C, only three-way structures, and I expected from here for the fourth wave, and it failed. So I'm having a buy at 870 zone. I'm having a buy at 870, and again I added at nearly 770 zone. I added here. So 870, 770. Now if it comes here in the three-way structure, I will book my all the profits here. So nearly 900 I am expecting. So let's see how it moves. So from here also I am expecting to exit my positions, but it didn't allow me to exit. I just added my position. So let's see whether this is a huge support zone. I'm expecting a bounce. So can't do anything. This will happen in a lot of times. No, a lot of times we are not always in the right side. So next ITC. See, this is a YX. So ABC is a double. It's already did in the three-way structure. So again it did, and again the three-way structure. 1 second. Sorry. Yeah, again three-way structures, and again we are in that rejected. So again I'm expecting this kind of wave formation. So once it completed, I'm expecting a bigger move. Whether it is shooting to like this, or otherwise it can come to the downside also, because this is a AB WX. Anything you can make it here. WX, and that Y way is contains of a WXY pattern Y, and again this could be a X. One more downside, but that is not possible in my view. So let's see. It's a good company, ITC. You know very well about than me. You're so if it is comes in that this zone, again we need to add the positions. Otherwise, if it can reaches here, just book the off positions only what you are able to buying here in this zone, and then we have to look for that. So what kind of wave formation is doing. And IOC. So IOC also same 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm expecting a three-way structures to the downside, nearly 90 zone, and then again I'm expecting to the bullish side in IOC. So next is Parag. I think I have I didn't cover from the past 2 to 3 months or 4 months. So while I starting, I was keep on saying this, it will shoot, keep on shooting, right? My target is 150, the first target, right? It already reached. It's already reached the 150 zone, and now I'm expecting in this zone I expected, and it's already reached. So now it looks like still one more way to the upper side is also possible, but whether it is in something else is a WXABC means again there will be a bigger consolidation, and again it can shoot for this. So I already booked the only off positions in the 150 zone, so I'm waiting for that. If it goes above this high, we need to watch that, and then only I need to book the profits, or it can hold all the things. Because if it is a wave 1 also, instead of A, if it is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and it keep on doing like a sail. Did you watch that sail? Just I keep on trading at 27 from here, because I started that my journey at here in this July. Yeah, from here only I started my journey in Indian stocks. So I keep on watching this. So this could be what I thought is A, B, and C. I looked for this, and I already exited my positions at here. What I bought at 27 something here, and because in those times it's very tough to trade calculate, because it's not looking like a forex. It's something different. So I didn't done anything. So what I bought at 27 something, I had bought at 29 or 30 something. I booked that for nearly the 35. So nearly it's around 10 to 15%. I keep on exit my position, and then from here I expected one more down. I expected, but it's already from here itself it keep on shooting, right? So I didn't done anything. So like this kind of wave formation can happen in IOC or Parag. So that is why I need to show, right? And the GAIL, one thing is GAIL India. So this is also same 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm expecting a three-way structure. So once the three-way structure is also completed, see in the 1 hour it looks like 1 A, B, 1 2 3 4 5. So C, so whether if it is a B, C is a, so again, or W, again it could be a shoot from here, or again it could make a one more high, sorry, one more low, and then it's keep coming to that 100 level. I'm expecting to that here. If it is a example from 0 to 1, if it is a 38.2 retracement, and then again the partial, next partial is around 100 to 115. So GAIL. And next is Cummins India Limited. So that is also, I keep on watching that. Here is a 1, this is a bigger one, bigger 2, 1 2, and here is a 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3, and we are in that 4. So after that 5, that is the bigger third, and again 4 and 5. So everything, this is the invalid, this is the invalid point. So mind that, and you need to trade this Cummins India. Have a bigger opportunity here. That is why I keep on watching this. So somewhat, if this is the A, somewhere if it is the end of 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, so if it is the end of the trend, again the B wave, after that it has to reach this high. So that is my target. And how I will show you the one thing, it's a nearly what is that, 1 second please, a Carbor and a Bright, I think so, yeah, this thing, it's the same pattern. I keep on watching here, but I didn't trade that because this is my starting, right? So I didn't keep on watching how it moves. It's already breached all the high, right? So like this, see, while we are doing here, we will afraid of everything. While if it is coming, okay, again if it is A, B, C, again there is a lot of chances for making to the long side, but it's already did 1 2, so 3 4 and 5. So like this, there is a lot of chances in this Cummins. Also. So then after, once if it break, then we will I will show you like that. So that is why I just keep on watching everything here. So I think just to check how many hours, nearly 1 hour 10 minutes, 7 minutes. So let's move, in another 10 minutes I can cover a lot of things. Nearly about 1 3 3 again, yeah, 3 is time. So nearly I already covered 47 comments. So next, Gabriel. So Gabriel, it's the same. I have already did my count, and I have already you just check for that positional wave count here there in my Telegram channel. I'll just keep on just go through this. So whether I'm expecting from here it can go above the high, otherwise it can do one more low and again one more high. So I'm expecting this high to reach. Otherwise, if it is a 1 2 or A B, if it is a C wave, it will be aggressive and it will shoot this high also. So mind that these are all the investment stocks I keep on watching, and I already invested. So these all I am already invested. The red mark is already I already invested for my positional. And one thing is, yeah, Bell I will show you. So because I didn't done here the good wave count, it's not a good wave count. But according to the price action 1 2 3 4 5, I'm expecting a three-way structure. So 1 2, so just I'm 1 2 3 4 5. So this is not a Elliott wave count. What I'm doing here is, so apologies for that. Just I'm after here the resistance, I'm expecting a three-way structures. So I already bought at the 49 here in this zone. I already bought 49. I booked the profit at 60 25% and 74 25%, and just I'm expecting that fourth wave. And if it comes here again, I will add what I booked, that 60 and 75. It's all I booked here. Nearly I will accumulate all those things here. And if you just draw the trend line also from here to here, these are all only for the tools we have to use. So because of this, we no need to take the trade. our wave count also need to end there, then only we need to confirmation. These are all for only the support. And one thing is Manappuram Finance. Yeah, it's a W, so this is the X, so A, so we are in the B wave. So according to this, A, B and C is completed. So whether from here it will shoot the previous high, or if it is a connecting wave, and if it is a B is a consolidation, bigger consolidation, if it is making a WXY pattern, this is a W and this is, it could be a X, and then Y may reach that 125 zone again. So what is next is CNCO or Container Corporation of India. So this is also, it looks like, see whether the intermediate waves, and this is also need to break this high. So like Cummins India, and what we did, and one more thing is the Carborundum, like that. If this is the A, this is the B, the C wave 1 2 3 4 5 is a 1 2 3 and we are in the fourth wave. So I'm having, and previous I said this is an invalidation point, but I won't place a stop loss, so now it is invalid now, so it is not a triangle. But let's see what kind of price action is going to do here. But I'm expecting one more high to the possible, and if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the end of the wave 3, after that we need to watch that, and then we need to take for that bigger target. So here A, B, so 1618, so exactly what I placed. So A, B and C is a target, or 1 2 as a 3 is a target. So in any conditions I am looking for the 686 zone or 700 zone. So I hope you enjoyed all analysis, and nearly I covered, this time is the first time I have covered 50 pairs. You just go through, invest according to your analysis, not according to my analysis. So hope you enjoyed and you have learned something in my analysis. So until we will see in the next week. So have a nice weekend and have a nice profitable week to everybody, and God bless all. So stay away from that because of the corona, it's a pandemic time, so stay away from that rush peoples like that, the gatherings, and use sanitizers, and keep social distance and wear mask. So it's a very worst time for India, and we need to survive in this world. So have a nice day and have a nice profitable week to everybody. So we will see you in the next week.